Good morning, students. Today we will learn A to Z with sounds and sentences. Apple. Apple is red. Apple. Apple is red. Apple. Apple is red. Ball. Ball is round. Ball. Ball is round. Seek a cat. Cat say mew. Seek a cat. Cat say mew. Seek a cat. Cat say mew. Dog. Dog say bow bow. Dog. Dog say bow bow. Dog. Dog say bow bow. Elephant. Elephant has a trunk. Elephant. Elephant has a trunk. Elephant. Elephant has a trunk. For fish. Fish is in the water. For fish. Fish is in the water. For fish. Fish is in the water. Grapes. I like grapes. Grapes. I like grapes. Grapes. I like grapes. At her house. I live in the house. At her house. I live in the house. At her house. I live in the house. At her hen. Hen is a bird. At her hen. Hen is a bird. I eat ice cream. I like ice cream. I eat ice cream. I like ice cream. I eat ice cream. I like ice cream. Joker. Joker makes us laugh. Joker. Joker makes us laugh. Joker. Joker make us laugh. Kite. I fly kite. Kite. I fly kite. Kite. I fly kite. Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Mango. Mango is sweet. Mango. Mango is sweet. Mango. Mango is sweet. Nest. Birds live in the nest. Nest. Birds live in the nest. Nest. Birds live in the nest. Owl. Owl is the night bird. Owl. Owl is the night bird. Owl. Owl is night bird. Orange. Orange is a fruit. Orange. Orange is a fruit. Orange. Orange is a fruit. Parrot. Parrot is green. Parrot. Parrot is green. Parrot. Parrot is green. Queen. Queen wears crown. Queen. Queen wears crown. Queen. Queen wears crown. Rose. Rose is red. Rose. Rose is red. R, R, rose. Rose is red. S, ship. Ship is in the water. S, ship. Ship is in the water. S, ship. Ship is in the water. T, tiger. I see tiger in the zoo. T, tiger. I see tiger in the zoo. T, tiger. I see tiger in the zoo. T, tiger. Tiger is a national animal. T, tiger. Tiger is a national animal. U, umbrella. I use umbrella in the rain. U, umbrella. I use umbrella in the rain. U, umbrella. I use umbrella in the rain. V, van. The driver drives the van. V, van. The driver drives the van. W, watch. Watch tell us time. W, watch. Watch tell us time. W, watch. Watch tell us time. X, Xmas tree. I decorate Xmas tree. X, Xmas tree. I decorate Xmas tree. X, Xmas tree. I decorate Xmas tree. Y, yak. Yak is a domestic animal. Y, yak. Yak is a domestic animal. Y, yak. Yak is a domestic animal. Z, zebra. Zebra has stripes. Z, zebra. Zebra has stripes. Z, zebra. Zebra has stripes.